Aurelia, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Elizabeth Tika, present, ma'am. Manuela Amanda, Natasha Paulin, Raymond Kristamana.
Today, as Memuna said in our last meeting, that today we are going to discussing a kind of text. What is it? What kind of text? You have learned? Analytical exposition text. Last meeting, before we end our class, Memuna tell you that today we are going to stay in group. But before that, I'm going to recall what we have learned last meeting about analytical exposition text. In context, in our daily life, ya, dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari aplikasinya. Anyone here has any social media? Semuanya punya sosial media ya? What kind of social media do you have? TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Twitter become X namanya ya sekarang ya. What else? Snapchat? What else? Line? What else? Do you have any YouTube? YouTube channel? Yeah. There are so many social media in our life. The second question is, how long do you spend our screen time in your daily life? 4 hours? Really? Yeah. How long do you spend your screen time in social media? Kalian biasanya buka sosial media, screen time-nya dengan handphonenya itu berapa lama? Coba dihitung lagi. Sehari-hari itu berapa lama ya aku pegang handphone? Screen time-ku berapa lama ya? 6 hours? 6 hours or more? 6 minutes impossible. 6 minutes itu nggak pegangnya kali ya. 6 minutes itu nggak pegangnya sisanya. 24 hours dikurangi 6 minutes tadi, sama waktu tidur, Jason ya. Oke, listen, most people use social media in one form or another. While there is nothing inherently wrong with that. Sebenarnya nggak masalah punya sosial media atau kita bersosial media itu tidak masalah ya. And while the social media can sometimes be beneficial, and it is important to be aware that social media is associated with number of issues and potential dangers. Can you mention the danger of social media? Anyone can mention it? Yeah, Raymond? Yeah.
It is used to like post or upload negative contents.
Sometimes it can be used to post or seeing or post negative content, something like that. Cybercrime, that's it ya. Bisa loh terjadi cybercrime, ada penipuan. Even in our daily social media we often use, just like WA, itu bisa ada cybercrime ya. Apa contohnya cybercrime? Apa Bin contohnya?
Membuat berita palsu.
Ya, there are also hoax news ya. Itu juga negatif kan?
Iya.
Apalagi kalau hoaxnya dikirim ke grupnya orang tua. Wah, ada apa? Heboh semuanya ya. Banyak sekali ya. Social media also can makes us children, also teenagers, sometimes be ansos sometime ya. Kalau tidak bisa menggunakan, dia akan cenderung menghabiskan waktunya di sosial media. Yang dekat jadi jauh, yang jauh jadi dekat. So what do you think? There are so many negative aspect or negative impact of social media. Do you think that social media need to be banned? Dilarang nggak? Should be banned nggak? Ya, why?
Because
Because? Because? Is there only negative impact of social media? Dampaknya cuma negatif saja? Enggak. Kenapa enggak boleh dilarang menurut Gatuso?
karena sosial media kan udah sebagian dari hidup kita kan.
Kenapa?
Kayak udah penting banget dalam hidup kita.
Ya.
Kalau kita makainya sesuai dengan kebutuhan dan kita juga pinter-pinter nyaring berita-berita dari sosial media, nggak
It's depend on our
ourselves.
yeah, it's depend on ourselves. If we use social media for good one, we have good impact. But if we use our social media for the bad one, for example, sourcing for something bad content, something like that, yeah, you don't be responsible with your social media, it can be negative impact in our life. Okay, now you can see here Memuna has a tag of analytical exposition entitled what? Entitled? Judulnya apa? Oke, semuanya dibaca. The danger. Ya, the danger of social media. For the thesis one, please Edo read a lot. Ya, most people
use social media in one form or another, while there is nothing wrong with and well, social media can sometimes be beneficial. Important to be aware that social media is associated with a number of
issues
and potential danger,
including
including stress,
stress, anxiety, loneliness,
depression.
and depression.
Here is the danger of social media.
Okay, thank you Edo. Give a pass for Edo. Okay. From the thesis, we can see that most people use social media in one form or another. While there is nothing inherently wrong with that, ya, meskipun itu nggak salah. And while social media can sometimes be beneficial, kadang juga menguntungkan, ya. Banyak orang bisa menghasilkan melalui sosial media. But it is important to be aware that social media is associated with a number of issues and potential dangers. Ternyata sosial media juga bisa menjadi berbahaya selain menguntungkan. Contohnya apa? Including stress. Ya, kalian lihat temennya posting makanan jalan-jalan ya. Nah, kitanya timbul iri dengki gitu mungkin ya. Nah, kita jealous. Nah, itu bisa jadi stres. Aduh, si A itu bisa jalan-jalan terus ya. Nah, aku kok di rumah aja ya, gitu ya. Nah, itu juga bisa menimbulkan stres. Kemudian apa? Anxiety. What is anxiety? Kecemasan. Nah, do you still remember when we were in COVID era? Ya, ada panic buying ya, ada istilah panic buying. Itu dilihatnya dari mana? Nah, dari sosial media juga ya. Nah, ketika melihat media banyak bahan pokok sudah mulai menipis, semuanya panic buying. Gara-garanya apa? Melihat sosial media juga. And then loneliness. Kenapa? You only have interact with virtual friend. Nah, temannya nggak nyata semuanya, temannya Mbak Maya semuanya ya. Okay. And also it can lead us to depression karena membandingkan diri kita dengan orang yang mungkin yang ada di sosial media. Here is the danger of social media. Okay, the first paragraph is called as thesis, and then the second one we have argumentation. Vanessa, please. Yeah. Read a lot.
The use of social
The use?
media
Mm-mm.
is associated with various issues when
Listen.
it comes to people's emotional well-being, mental and physical health, and many other areas of life. Specifically, research show that the use of social media is associated with anxiety, stress, emotional exhaustion, envy, low self-esteem, low quality sleep.
Oke, thank you. Give applause for Vanessa. Oke, nah, argumentationnya apa di sini? The use of social media is associated with various issues when come to people emotional well-being, mental and physical health, ya, mental and physical juga. Ya, secara mental iya, secara fisik juga iya, and many other areas of life. Specifically, research show that the use of social media is associated with melalui apa ini? Berarti ada data, fakta. Nah, menunjukkan apa? Shows that the use of social media is associated with anxiety, stress, emotional exhaustion, ya, envy, ya, kecemburuan, jealous tadi ya, low esteem, low self esteem, ya, low quality sleep, ya. Kita menghabiskan waktunya tidurnya begadang gara-gara lihat sosial media dan lain sebagainya. Oke, next, Mita, could you read loud for the next argumentation? Oke, ya, si Mita. Ya, come on, Mit.
Addiction to the social media, which can be referred to as social media addiction or as addiction to a specific platform, for example, Facebook addiction.
One. Interference.
Interference with
Important.
obligations
Such as.
schoolwork, which can lead to issues
Such as.
those grades.
Okay, such as what? Great. Okay, give applause for Mita. Now, you already stay in your group. Ya. Kalian sudah masuk di grupnya masing-masing. As Memuna said, that today we are going to discuss about analytical exposition tech with your group. Ya. First group, we have Gatuso, Edo, and Vena. Second group, we have Jason, Vanessa, and Raymond. Third group, we have Ella, Van, and Mita. Fourth group, we have Tasha, Vivi, Dafar, and Yuan. And the last group, we have Samuel, Elizabeth, Robin, and Axel. Now, Memuna already sent for different text to your group. Silahkan dibuka ya. Memuna kirim di grup kelas kita untuk teks yang akan kalian bahas ya. Every group has different text ya. Every group has different text. Nah, what you need to do in your group is there will be one student, a person to be your presenter ya. Silahkan ditentukan di masing-masing kelompok ada satu siswa, ada satu anak yang berperan sebagai presenter. Nah, what is the job desk of this presenter? Ya, nah, presenter nanti akan menjelaskan, ya. Nanti kalian akan moving ke kelompok lainnya untuk information seeker, dan untuk yang presenter akan tetap tinggal di kelompoknya untuk menjelaskan, explain what you have discussed with the text you got to the information seeker from another group. Jadi ada tamu dari kelompok lain, tugasnya menjelaskan. You have to explain what you have discussed with your group. Untuk presenter, paham? Oke. Now, Emuna already distribute for the paper that you are going to use to make mind mapping ya. Nah, you're going to make mind mapping based on the text that Memuna share to you, to each group. Ya, silahkan dibuat mind mapping sebagus mungkin apa mem yang dijabarkan di sana. Nah, last meeting yesterday we have learned the generic structure, ya, and then purpose, ya, language features-nya, tujuannya untuk apa, ya. Nah, silahkan kalian mention, jabarkan dari teks yang didapatkan ke dalam mind mapping yang akan kalian buat. Bisa dipahami sampai sini? Saya.
About a good quality of sleep. In here is the thesis. We got 3 points exactly. The first one is sleep plays a vital role in good health. Second one is sleep can heal your mental health, physical health, and the quality of life and safety. Sleep also helps your brain to work properly. For the argumentation, we got that studies show that a good night's sleep improves your learning. I have 3. Studies show that a good night's sleep improves learning. Sleep helps enhance your learning and problem solving skills. And the last one is sleep also helps you pay attention to make this decision and be creative. Yes. And for the rotation, we got 2 points here. The first one is to maintain a healthy balance of hormones. And the second one is when you don't get enough sleep, your ghrelin goes up and leptin goes down. This makes you feel hungrier in the morning. And the purpose of our text is so that we can understand the importance of sleep, the uses and the benefits of sleep, and what happens if you don't get enough of sleep. That's for my analytical exposition text about a good quality of sleep. Thank you.
Yes, according to research, drinking enough water is very important for our bodies. Nah, the argument is 3. The first one is drinking enough water can protect the body and protect our body temperature and stable. And the second one, preventing illness when summer comes. And the third one, minimum water consumption is 2 liters in one day. The conclusion is water is very important for our bodies. In fact, 70% of our bodies are water. When we don't have enough water, our internal organs can have problems. and it can even give rise to many diseases in our body. The purpose of the text is to inform and persuade you to drinking enough water. Yes.
Okay, this is our little explanation text from third group. From 1 is thesis. Stormwater pollution. The title is The Importance of Learning Sport. Okay, for the thesis is stormwater crucial part of the student's growth and development. We have in the development of the health and the physical interest of the student. For the second is urgent. And to is exercise can improve physical strength and mental health. And sport can make us learn time management and discipline. For the third is recreation. Sport is important for youth to gain skills, experience, and self-confidence that are useful for developing our personalities. Fourth is purpose. The purpose is to provide information to our people about the importance of exercise. That's all for the importance of question. Now, okay. It's time to have first grade.